Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to every single one of you that follows me, that watches my videos, that subscribe to my channel, because I have 3,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about this and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you very much. So now we're gonna jump into this tutorial because I did a very warm toned lid, this one, and of course glitter. I did it glam and it's still summer. I feel the vibe and this is all. Let's jump into the video right now. My lips are so dry at the moment, I need a balm, and this is the Neutrogena one, this one. For my base, or my eye base, I'm using Soft Ochre from MAC, a prolonged wear paint pot, which I like very much. I also like Pinterly for my base and other lighter shades they do. And because this dries down pretty matte, flat, I'm not going to set it this time, but I'm going to take now for my eye look a VISEART palette, which is the dark matte one. And first I'm going to take the orange color. I swear I love this so much. I think I would use it every single day, for every single YouTube tutorial, but I can't, you know. I have to show you other things as well. So I'm taking this one, and this I'm going to put in my crease area, and I'll be actually putting it on the lid as well because I want a very warm eye look today. So I'm starting with the outer corners and then I'm gonna gradually spread the color to the whole lid area and also of course in the crease area. Then I'll be taking a smaller blending brush. This is the 224 from ZOEVA, and the last one was a 227. And with this, I am going to just go over the edges. I have no product on it. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to have any harsh lines. Now I'll intensify my outer edge with this brown here, the darkest one from the palette, and the brush I'm using is from Sigma, a E36 one. So first I'm pressing the product into my lash line, but just the outer half of it, and then also I'm going to be putting this into my outer V here. The same on the other eye, and then we're gonna make this look glam. After this, I'm gonna go swimming and I'll have to take off my makeup. I have nowhere else to go, but I'm just glad that it's summer. It's still summer, it's warm. I'm hoping it's not going to be very crowded because it usually is. Many people come with children, you know, dogs, bicycles, you know, at the end of the week. Everyone wants to do something, especially now in summertime, which is good, which is a nice thing. I have a small amount of fallout here, almost not visible, you know, but because it's a dark color, you can see like a shadow of it. I'm gonna clean up underneath, but first I want to put glitter onto my eyelids, and I'm gonna be using this one from Stila, the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in Gold Goddess. And I really do like this product. All the shades are beautiful, but this is like a gold one, as I've said, and I'm going to put this on top of the orange color. I don't think I want it very opaque. I think I want it, you know, more, I don't know, sparse, I guess. I love this product because you can actually use glitter. Anyone can use glitter and make it look professional. You don't really have fallout. So now I'm cleaning underneath. I don't have glitter, but I do have that brown shade there. Just be careful not to erase your work, you know, don't go too far upwards. The mascara I'm using is the Total Temptation from Maybelline in the shade, I presume, black. And I'll be putting this on the top lashes for now, and then on the bottom ones as well. The false lashes I'm going to be using are the other ones, the Demi Wispies, and for my lash glue I'm going to take the Duo one, the white one. Now I'll do my base, and I'm going to put first a moisturizer from La Roche-Posay, which is one of my favorites, the Hydrin Riche. And I like to rub this into my skin with my fingers. Especially here, underneath my eyes, around my mouth, and on my forehead. I'm not putting too much because it gets oily throughout the day. Not that this time counts, but usually, you know, when I'm actually wearing the makeup outside my house. Then for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Lightweight Protective Makeup. And this is in the shade 116 Sesame, and I really do like this actually. It has an SPF of 50, so for now in summertime it's perfect, and it really is lightweight. I can't really say that this is long wearing as they you know, proclaim, but it might be. We'll see this another time, but you know, in terms of coverage and all, I really do like it. The brush I'm going to be using to apply it is the In the Buff, and this is from Beauty Bay, and I'm just directly gonna put some of the foundation onto my brush and then buff it into my skin. This is a bit light for my skin tone right now, but we're just gonna pretend it's okay. It's the same shade as my neck, but my chest is a bit darker. I'm gonna be using bronzer anyway, so I'll try and rectify this. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, which is the Bare Skin from Bare Minerals, of course, and this is in the shade Fair. This is another very lightweight product, which I love. I'm just putting this much, and here on my blemishes, I have them from birth. I can't do anything about them, but to be honest, I even forget that I have them. When I do apply makeup, I like to put a bit more on them to cover them. Now powder everything with the Master Fix Baking and Brightening Loose Powder from Maybelline, and the brush I'm using is from Real Techniques for powder. Just going to be taking small amounts because I'm not going to be baking with it. You all know that I don't bake. I don't like the effect it gives. I think it makes everyone look old, you know, and crusty. I'm not going to be taking away all the shine. Just, you know, to make it look good. I really do like this foundation. I really do like it. And now for contouring, I'm going to be taking a palette which is from Revolution Makeup. It's the Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette. And let's see, I think I'm going to be taking a mixture of those two shades here to bronze up my skin, and then this one to contour. The brush I'm using for this is from ZOEVA. It's a 101 brush, and I'm just dipping into those two shades, as I've said. Knock off the excess, maybe on the back of my hand as well, and then gradually build up the color. So I'm starting here where my ear begins, and lightly, in a slightly contouring way, I'm applying my bronzer. My motions are feather-like. I don't want to disturb my foundation underneath. I didn't powder a lot, so that might happen if I rub too harsh, you know, the brush onto my skin. Now I'm looking very three-dimensional. Then I'm going to be taking that lighter shade there, as I've said, for contouring. The same brush, I'm just gonna pinch it like this and apply a small amount of this grayish brown right here into my hollow. For blush, I'm taking the Le Blush from L'Oreal. This is the shade 120, and apply it with another Real Techniques blusher brush, and this is gonna be going onto the apples of my cheeks here, and then slightly swipe it across my cheekbone. Then for highlighter, I haven't used in a while the Measurable Difference highlighter. This is called Face and Body Bronzer. I don't know why, but this looks like a highlighter, maybe like a blusher, but it's actually a highlighter. It really does glow, so I don't know why this could be a bronzer. I'm taking again the blusher brush because I have less to no product on it. And I'm just gonna be applying this on top of my cheekbones, right there, and really blend it. I don't want to make like a stripe, and then like a C shape. And now my base is done, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'll be using the Anastasia pomade. This is in ash brown, and the brush I'm taking for it is another ZOEVA one, and this is the 317 wing liner brush, but I like to use it for my brows. Then I'm quickly going to be setting that with a Stay in Place brow gel, and this is called Brow Now from Estee Lauder. And now for underneath my eyes, I'm going to be putting that brown eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm just being careful not to have fallout now. I'm doing like a smoked out line here, and also that line is going to be meeting that upper part right there. Now mascara on my bottom lash line. For the lips, I'm taking Lovely Frappucino. This is a long-lasting lip liner from Essence. It's one of my favorites, not just from Essence, of all times. It's so good, and the color is perfect. Then on top of that goes a lipstick, which is from KIKO, and this is in the shade 806, and this will complement my eye look. And now lastly, in my waterline, I'll be putting the Black Track. This is a gel liner from MAC. I love this very, very much. I've talked about this many times. This doesn't budge. This will not bleed, and this is perfect for the waterline and for tight lining as well. So everyone, this was my still summer look, and I did a glam, as I've said. I hope you liked the look. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe here to my channel, write something underneath if you did like it, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and VERO page. That is very important to me as well. And now I'll just say bye, and thank you again for watching, for subscribing, for everything, just being here. Bye.